Welcome to my channel Beat the Maths. I am Pavitra Monak. Today I need to discuss some problem of integration. This is element of mathematics, exercise 9D, question number 1, bit 3. The question is given, integrate the following. Integrate the following. The first question, the third question. Okay, integration of dx by, this is your question 1, bit 3. Okay, question 1, bit 3. Dx by integration of dx by root over 25 minus ln x square. Ln x square. You know the formula, dx by root over a square minus x square is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. Okay, here you see is equal to dx by 25 given, that is 5 square minus ln x whole square root over. Okay, x is given here, sorry for this, x is given here. Okay, now you put ln x is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x, derivative of ln x, that is 1 by x, derivative of t with respect to x, that is dt by dx. Okay, now we need how much? You see dx by x is equal to dt. You see dx by x is equal to dt is equal to dt by, this is 5 square minus this is t square, we have taken ln x is equal to t. Okay, you see this formula and this formula, you use this formula is equal to how much? Sin inverse, here x by a, here t by a is equal to 5, t by 5 plus c is equal to sin inverse, t means ln x by 5 plus c. You see the next question. The question is given, integration of cos theta by root over 4 sin square theta d theta. Okay, now you put sin theta is equal to t. Okay, differentiate with respect to theta, derivative of sin theta is equal to how much? Cos theta d theta is equal to cos theta is equal to dt by d theta. Okay, cos theta d theta is equal to dt. Okay, is equal to, you see this is cos theta d theta, 4 given, that is 2 square minus sin theta whole square root over. Okay, is equal to, you see cos theta d theta is equal to dt by, this is 2 square minus this is t square root over. Okay, is equal to sin inverse t by 2, t by 2 plus c is equal to sin inverse, t is equal to how much? Sin theta by 2 plus c. You see the next question, this is question 5th, integration of x square dx by root over 36 minus x to the power 6. Okay, you see this is equal to x square dx by 6 square minus x cube whole square. Okay, x cube whole square root over. Okay, now you put the same formula is used here, integration of dx by a square minus x square root over is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. This formula is used here. Now you put x cube is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x. Okay, 3x square is equal to dt by dx. Okay, 3 x square dx is equal to, you see, x square dx is equal to dt by 3. Okay, so here is equal to integration of x square dx equal to dt by 3. That means 1 by 3, you keep it outside, root over, this is 6 square minus t square, okay, is equal to 1 by 3 sine inverse t by 6, x by a, that is t by 6 here, plus c, is equal to 1 by 3 sine inverse t is equal to how much you have taken, x cube by 6 plus c. Now see the next question, integration of x plus 3 by root over 9 minus x square dx given. Okay, you separate it first, x by root over 9 minus x square dx plus 3 by root over 9 minus x square dx. This is in the direct form, this is not in the direct form. Now you put 9 minus x square is equal to t square. Okay, differentiate with respect to x, minus 2x dx is equal to 2t dt. Okay, 2 will cancel out, x dx is equal to minus t dt. Okay, x dx given, that means minus t dt by root over 9 minus x square is equal to t square. Root over 9 minus x square is equal to t, because 9 minus x square is equal to t square, so here t will cancel out, plus 3 integration, you see, this is 9 means 3 square minus x square root over dx. Integration of minus dt is equal to minus t plus 3 is constant, keep it outside, dx by root over 3 square minus x square. T is equal to how much? T is equal to root over 9 minus x square is equal to minus root over 9 minus x square plus 3 into this is equal to sine inverse x by 3 plus c. Okay, you see the next question, given integration of dx by root over 5 minus x square minus 4x and x plus 2 is equal to z given. Okay, you see dx by, here you taking common minus x square plus 4x minus 5, okay, is equal to, you see, dx by root over minus x square plus 2 into a into b, okay, 2 into a into b, you see 2 into 2x 4x, b is equal to, so 2 square, okay, up to this much, that is x plus 2 whole square. Here 5 is minus 5 given, minus 5, 2 square added, again 2 square subtracted, okay, is equal to integration of dx by root over, you see, this up to this, okay, don't write, don't underline it, up to this, that is x minus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square, okay, this is 5, this is 2 square 4, 5 minus 4, that is minus 9, minus 9 means 3 square, okay, is equal to integration of dx by, you multiply minus here, you can get 3 square minus, this is x plus 2, x plus 2 whole square root over, okay, how much you can get? Now you put x plus 2 equal to z given, differentiate with respect to x, dx is equal to dz, that means integration of dx, in the place of dx we can write dz by root over 3 square minus z square, okay, is equal to sin inverse z by 3 plus c is equal to sin inverse z is equal to how much? X plus 2 by 3 plus c. Next you see integration of the question is given in integration of x plus 3 by root over 5 minus x square minus 4x dx. Okay, now you put 5 minus x square minus 4x is equal to t square. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of 5 is equal to 0. Derivative of minus x square, that is 2x. Derivative of minus 4x, that is 4, is equal to 2t dt by dx. Okay, minus taking common 2, minus 2, minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 2t dt by dx. 2 will cancel out. Okay, x plus 2 dx is equal to minus t dt. Okay, is equal to, you see, x plus 2, that means I can write here x plus 2 plus 1 dx by root over 5 minus x square minus 4x integration. Okay, now you separate integration x plus 2 dx by root over 5 minus x square minus 4x plus 1 by root over 5 minus x square minus 4x dx. Okay, this is your c. X plus 2 dx is equal to minus t dt by 5 minus x square minus 4x is equal to t square. Root given, that is t will cancel out, plus integration of dx by taking minus common from here, minus x square plus 4x minus 5. Okay, is equal to, you see, integration of dt is equal to minus t plus integration of this is equal to how much, you see, root over minus, this is x square. Okay, x square plus 2 into a into b is equal to 2, that means 2 square. You see, 2 into 2x 4x, 2 square. Here previously minus 5 is here, so minus 5, 2 square added and 2 square subtracted. Okay, is equal to minus t, that is minus t is equal to how much? Root over 5 minus x square minus 4x plus, here you see, integration of dx by root over you see, minus x plus 2 whole square. Okay, minus 5 minus 2 square, that is 2 square is equal to minus 4, minus 4, here minus 5, minus 9, minus 9 I can write 3 square, here 3 square. Okay, now you multiply with minus, here you can get minus 5 minus x square minus 4x, here root over, plus now you put dx by, you see, dx by root over 3 square minus x plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 whole square. Okay, now you put x plus 2 is equal to z, differentiate with respect to x, dx is equal to dz. So here how much we get? Root over minus 5 minus x square minus 4x plus dz by 3 square minus root over, okay, 3 square minus z square is equal to, oh, you little pause the video, I can erase here, is equal to how much you see, root of minus 5 minus root over 5 minus x square minus 4x plus, this is equal to sine inverse z by 3 plus c is equal to minus root over 5 minus x square minus 4x plus sine inverse z is equal to how much, x plus 2 by 3 plus c. This is your answer. Pause the video, note it down.